Hello guys, there we have a Motorola E32s, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the Bluetooth settings by holding the finger on the Bluetooth icon in the top menu, then go to the connection preferences and choose first option. Now just switch it off and switch it on again. Then look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. At the start you have to be sure that the Bluetooth device is visible for other devices, like your phone, and to do it you have to, in the most devices, enable a pair mode. How to do it you will find it in the manual instruction or on your YouTube channel. So in my case I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to hold the button for a few seconds. You will find it in the instructions. So if you're sure that your device is in pair mode, you can try to restart your device by holding the power button and restart. You can also restart your Bluetooth device. Then look for your device again. After that, if that way doesn't work for you, open settings on your phone and slide down to the system. Now look for the reset options and choose it, then choose the reset Wi-Fi mobile, and you can see that you have a Bluetooth included. So tap on it, tap reset settings, configure your pattern, and tap on the reset settings again. Then look for your device. The next tip from me, try to update your system. Check that you have any updates, and if you have, go to the system updates in the settings. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth device and your phone on other device with Bluetooth, like a laptop or other phone, to check which one is visible and which gadget making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.